Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use BLHeli Configurator. First, download the BLHeli Configurator application from its official source. Next, confirm that your flight controller's USB drivers are properly installed on your computer. This ensures a smooth connection. Finally, connect your flight controller to your computer using a USB cable, preparing it for configuration. This initial setup is crucial for successful ESC programming. Once connected, open the BLHeli Configurator and select the appropriate COM port for your flight controller from the drop-down menu. After choosing the port, click the Connect button to establish communication. With a successful connection, proceed to click Read Setup to retrieve and display the current settings from all your electronic speed controllers. This step is vital for understanding your current configuration before making any changes. Now, it's time to update your ESCs. Choose the desired BLHeli firmware version from the available options, ensuring compatibility with your hardware. Then, click Flash BLHeli to install the new firmware onto all connected ESCs. After flashing, you can adjust basic settings such as motor direction, setting it to normal or reversed, and fine-tune startup power for smoother motor initiation. These adjustments are fundamental for optimal performance. Finally, delve into advanced settings like damped light, which improves braking, and adjust PWM frequency for motor smoothness. Consider calibrating your ESCs to ensure a precise throttle range, typically from 1,000 to 2,000 microseconds. Once all adjustments are complete and you are satisfied, click Write Setup to save your new configuration to the ESCs. Always disconnect your flight controller safely after saving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.